with the aid of a chain fall and some strategic bracing, put some stress on this building and actually got it standing straight, a heck of a lot straighter than it used to be. I know the lighting is incredibly poor, but the interior wall, these upright beams carrying this big load across, had quite a lean to them. Using an app on the phone, I think we were able to move this beam 4 degrees over its height, which doesn't seem like a lot, but looking down the length of it, it is quite a bit. One of the most noticeable parts is outside. So looking around at the back of the building, you can now tell that it actually has a tilt in this orientation, where before it was very obvious that it was tilted in the opposite way. Part of that contributes to the foundation breaking away and crumbling like it has. You can see the last, say, 2 feet of concrete is pretty much all broken away and sunk. I think that is on account of the water not having a place to go. So it basically washes away the footing. All the dirt goes, and then this gets really soft and has a place to sink to. So the entire outside wall has started to sink down and pull away from the building, in turn taking the building in that direction. So some more bracing should be able to get it close to where it is. And then I have some steel cable and a few other ideas to try to keep this building secured. And then the next step will be maybe some form of exterior support structure, like cladding would be nice. Steel on the outside of this building would close it up, help make it a little more weatherproof and a little more user-friendly. Because at this point now, it's become the garage that I'm trying to utilize, and although it's not the perfect option, it's certainly more affordable than building new.